No man becomes rich unless he enriches others. All human beings can alter their lives by altering their attitudes. He that cannot reason is a fool. He that will not is a bigot. He that dare not is a slave. When fate hands us a lemon, let's try to make lemonade. You cannot push anyone up a ladder unless he is willing to climb a little. Success is getting what you want. Happiness is wanting what you get. Do real and permanent good in this world. There is little success where there is little laughter. All honor's wounds are self-inflicted. Do not look for approval except for the consciousness of doing your best. Thanks for watching.